How to add all like songs to a playlist on Spotify. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go ahead and add all like songs that you have into a playlist on Spotify. So let's just go ahead and get right on in. So you're going to want to go ahead and head over to your like songs. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click the three dots right next to the heart button on the song that you want to choose. So I'm going to go ahead and press that, and you can see here that if we go ahead and press it, there's going to be an add to playlist button. Just go ahead, add to playlist, and then you're going to want to create new playlist. Now, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is just make a brief name for the actual playlist and just go ahead and create. Now, you can see that this song is now in a playlist that I've actually liked. So if we go ahead and press on another song, all we have to do is click add to playlist again, and then go ahead and click on the playlist that we have just created. So you can see here, I added that like song that I have into that playlist. Now, all you have to do is go to your library, visit the playlist, and you guys can see that the songs are now inside of this playlist. So that's how you go ahead and hide or actually add all like songs to a playlist on Spotify. So with that being said, make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.